I'm Billy Taylor. I'm a maintenance engineer here at Majorlift, where we make hydraulic equipment for garages, so lifting cars, and we've just started lifting electric cars as well. And we also do trains, some military equipment, and all that kind of stuff. So with the type of products that we make, because it's quite high volume and the machines are used quite a lot, maintenance and keeping the machines clean is very important to us. So with the products that Filtermist have provided with us, it makes it so much easier. So the vacuum's got 3 motors on it. It's ideal to have all 3 of them on because it works a lot better like that. But obviously if you don't want the max sucking power from them, then you can just use one of the 2. It has a feature on it where it sucks stuff up and also pumps it back out at the same time, which is ideal if you're cleaning coolant and oils and stuff and you want to reuse them instead of just chucking them away, which should save money in the long term. So it's very ideal for anything like that. So with the swarf basket and the additional filter in it, it makes sure that none of the swarf actually gets into the oil and the coolant that's sucked out, which is ideal because we're not contaminating anything that we're trying to get rid of. And also it just keeps everything cleaner, it stops it from clogging up, and then it stops us from pumping swarf back into the machine and then clogging the machine up further. So we have tested a couple of other vacuums and stuff like that throughout my time here at Majorlift, and we've had a couple and they're okay, but then as soon as the Filtermist got advertised to me, they sent it through, they let us test it, and then throughout our testing period we knew that's what we wanted, and then after that it was an easy process of just paying for it and keeping it. There was no hassle with it, and now we've got it. We've got the filters on our machines as well, which are excellent because we produce such high volumes of material that our machines go through a lot of stress and produce a lot of fumes. So these filters clear it up, protect our operators, and they're very easy to maintain with the use of the after filters that just get changed in and out, the monitors that sort of keep us on track with how bad they're getting instead of having to check up on them all the time. So it makes it very easy to use. So Filtermist, they'll maintain and service our filters every 12 months. That's along with LEV testing, which of course is a legal requirement. So it keeps us within the regulations as well. And when they come in and do that, they're very helpful, and also just getting through that process as well. They're very easy to contact, very easy to get in to come and do all of this stuff for us. So the wet collector is out the back of one of our deburring tables. We've connected it through the table and put some holes in it. So when someone's deburring some material, of course there's fumes and dust particles coming off of that, and we want to protect our operators, and that does it very well. And it's also super easy to keep going if you just got to fill it up with water. We're very happy with the service from Filtermist. It makes everyone's life easier, it makes my life easier. Just going through one person to get the same job done instead of going through multiple people, which I've had before off of other companies. So it makes my life easier, it makes everyone else's life in the company easier, and it makes everything much more efficient as well.